Hello y'all, what's up? Was just out here in the backyard hanging out and just enjoying my doggies and looking at nature, really. Just that's about it. And I am going to one of these years for sure get me a little oasis out here. You know, we have plenty of seats and chairs and stuff like that, but just really hadn't done anything with it. It's just my little sitting spot here. There is Cupcake. Hey, Cupcake. Say hello, y'all. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Where's Coco? Coco hanging out in her house. There's Coco. Say hey. Say what's up, y'all. She's just huddled away in her house like, what are you doing? Don't record me. Got to paint their doggy houses. It's been a while. They're kind of weather beaten. Cupcake she loves to play with water bottles. Don't leave your water bottle around when you're over here. No way. And y'all know these dogs play and run in this yard, so no grass. And of course we have huge trees all in the backyard, so there's no shade anywhere, so that's why we can't get any grass to grow back here. So yeah, we're gonna have to paint some zoysia or something like that, something that'll grow in shade, but one of these days. What you doing, girlie? Cupcake, where you at, girl? So just go over here and sit in the park. Is that what I call it, the park? Yeah. Sit right here and swing. You want to get up here with me? Come on. There you go. Sit down now. Sit down. She's like, no way. No way. Anywho, just pop it in, and I'll see y'all on the next go round.